evening, everybody. It's great to see our friends in the press once again with us. A little while ago, the last time we saw you, we did say that we said watch this space, and well, here we are. As usual, full of surprises, always changing, always dynamic. I'd just like to introduce the guys before we start. Duncan McGregor from Sandvik, he's the President of the Product Area of Crushing and Screening. And then Gerald Krasher is, the full title I'm not quite sure, but Gerald looks after the African area that we're involved in through Sandvik. The details are in your press packs. Of course, Graham Kleinans, everybody knows, and then Frank Scherf, I presume most of you know already. Graham's our sales director and Frank's our business director, the development director. And I'm Sandro Scherf, CEO of Pilot Crushtech. It's a pleasure to welcome you all today, and thank you very much for joining us and for the interest shown. The reason we've called this press conference today is to formally announce the signing of a distributor agreement between Pilot Crushtech and Sandvik Construction. This accord, which came into effect on the 1st of October, is official confirmation of our appointment as the Sandvik Construction distributor for exclusively its assigned territories, being South Africa and a fair number of African countries, details of which we can provide you with. The meaning of this is that we can now offer our clients the entire range of Sandvik mobile crushing and screening products across a number, or across all these exclusively designated territories. From our point of view, the combination of world-class distributor, Pilot Crushtech, and a world-class manufacturer, Sandvik, forges a strategic alliance which we are certain is going to be of great benefit to mine and quarry operators throughout South Africa and Southern Africa. We say this because the scullet industry has grown enormously over the past decade, and there is definitely a need for more powerful, bigger, heavier machines that can reliably process up to 1,000 tons an hour. And this agreement is going to help us in achieving those objectives, in being able to supply those kind of products, and we believe will take us to another level. Sandvik Construction approached us earlier this year with a proposal that we take over the distribution of their mobile crushing and screening range. And we thought about it quite hard. We had a lot of discussions. We had risk assessments, whether it would be good or bad for us and how it would affect not just us, but our customers and other stakeholders in the industry, Sandvik, our staff. And the reasons were very compelling that we go for it. From our point of view, it fits perfectly with with Pilot Crushtech's policy of being associated with world-class brands. And we certainly believe that Sandvik is up there with the best, not just in the industry. It's a huge brand, and we think it associates perfectly with our policy of being associated with world-class brands. Second reason is we're going to be working with an organization that has over 150 years experience in engineering, and through various acquisitions such as Fadala, Alice Minerals, and many others over the years, is most certainly one of the two largest suppliers of crushing and screening equipment in the world. Sandvik Construction, the product line, is going to provide us with larger capacity mobile products for hard rock mining and quarrying. The significant difference is, up to this point, we've been more in the quarrying and I wouldn't say recycling or soft rock, but certainly the range of equipment that Sandvik has to offer is good for heaviest and toughest mining duties. The range includes heavy duty and extra heavy duty crushers, and something our customers have been calling for. As the industry has grown to bigger plants, many of our customers have grown. We need to grow, and we definitely need to have a range of equipment that allows us to help our customers grow. Customers also operate in remote areas, and they certainly want products that are world-class and that they can depend on. So we feel that the alliance between the great product that Sandvik offers and the great distribution and support levels that Pilot Crushtech offers will allow those customers to achieve most of the objective. We have to stress that there's absolutely no problem with Terex Finley as such. We haven't had any commercial fallouts or mechanical or product fallouts with them. It's simply a matter of not being able to carry both ranges. I mean, neither party would allow us to sell both products. It would be an ideal situation, but unfortunately we can't do that. Having said that, the message to all our existing Finley Terex customers is that we will continue to support them in every way possible. We'll carry on providing all the support that we've always done in exactly the same, at exactly the same level. It has to be understood that most of our customers are trying to keep up with two distinct challenges. Despite the global downturn, there's a continuous demand for minerals, metals. Add to this the fact that the continent is growing, renovating, a lot of infrastructural renovation and mining at an incredible pace, and we need to be there with them. In concluding, I have to say there's a real buzz of excitement at Pilot Crush-Tech throughout our entire team, not just our sales team. I think the whole company is excited about it. We really view this as an opportunity, and our team of highly qualified sales engineers and support staff are just dying to get out there and show what we can do for a great Sandvik product. We cannot wait to get going. In concluding, this alliance with Sandvik Construction presents us with a great opportunity to join forces with an international brand that is like-minded, shares similar values, and has its focus set firmly on the future. Thank you. I'll now hand you over to Duncan McGregor, just to say a few words.
Thank you, Sandro. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. I'm Duncan McGregor, the President of the product area Mobile Crushers and Screens, and I'm based in the UK in England, near Stratford-on-Avon. I'd like to also introduce my colleagues here. I have Gerald Kreischer here, whose full title is he's the President of the market area Europe, Middle East and Africa, which is our most significant, our biggest market area, biggest of three. We also have Glenn Schumann over here, who's the VP for the sales area that we are in today. And at the back of the room here, all the way from Sweden, is Peter Delbrandt, who comes from our product division based in Sweden, in southern Sweden. So we've brought a few people here who hopefully can answer any questions that you have for us. We too are very pleased with this new partnership with Pilot Crush-Tech, and this represents a significant step in our continued development of our distribution for these sorts of products. Pilot has excellent coverage and is well placed to service and support our extensive customer base. And as Sandra said, we share common values. That's very important to us. We share the same view on business ethics, environment, health and safety. Sandvik puts health and safety and environment before everything, and we're happy to share that common value with Pilot. And I think most importantly, they have a great attitude towards serving customers. As you've heard, we have an extensive range of mobile equipment, and this includes what we call our medium range, which is basically diesel hydraulic equipment, track-mounted machines. It's the biggest range around. We also have our wheeled, mainly electrical powered range of equipment, and we also have what we refer to as our heavy range. That will be 65 tons and up, and it's normally on tracks. And these products are very well aligned to the demanding conditions which prevail in this region of the world. The signing of this partnership is well aligned to our strategy within Sandvik Construction in developing relationships with companies that can help us reach and serve our extensive number of customers around the world. We see Pilot as an extended arm of our business. The relationship with Pilot will be direct into our product area, which is based in Europe. And we're very, very excited about the prospect of developing our business together. So we're very, very happy to be here, and we're very, very pleased to be taking this opportunity today. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all. Thanks for joining us. You're welcome to mill around and ask us some questions if you like. We'll be here for a little while. So enjoy some snacks outside, some coffee, and you're welcome to engage with us and talk to us about the prospects. Thank you. Thanks for joining us.